Wallahi, I don't know why people delay their marriage. It's something good, it's something beneficial, and the need to protect yourself from fitna is ongoing. Why wait? Ya akhi, at least do the aqd. Now you did the aqd and you see something halal next door. No, don't touch. Why don't touch me? Why? This is my halal wife. No, her father says don't touch her. So it doesn't make any sense. So you're making temptation on halal things. Ya akhi, bismillah, go and get married. Oh, because we have relatives coming, sheikh, and hiring the whole. Akhi, marriage is a simple thing in Islam. Whenever the need is strong, Allah makes things easy. You go to the father, say, the father looks at you, checks around, says, I give you my daughter in marriage. You say, I accept. 2 witnesses are there, take your wife. Khalas. No wedding, no hotel receptions, no thousands of dollars spent on illogical things.